see
what's in the box.
what's in the magic box.
We're painting this box.
We are.
With the paint.
It'll have a proper container.
It looks like a power post.
It's a special log.
Like me.
You're special too. Huh?
You're special, boy. Well, I'll set up the box and you get the log. Just set it there for now, but we'll move it.
Set it on top of here for now.
Hey there, Hudson. Good job.
We got a piece of wood too if we need this.
Alright. Might be handy. Oh. Whoops. Itchy trigger finger.
What?
Itchy trigger finger. Oh.
Ooh. I love the smell of schlong in the morning.
The schlong, it's a coating for it.
Yeah. Okay, I think we gotta.
First thing, we gotta fix this a little bit
Fix
first.
the infrastructure. That tape is not looking good. Oh boy.
Here, I can help.
No.
Put this. Oh, that's not. There you go.
Oh, that's not a lot of tape.
Hudson. Oh, watch out, Robbie.
Where is the end of the tape?
That's a good question. The fuck did you do this thing?
I didn't do anything to it.
Oh, right there.
Right? No, he's fine. Alright. You think that's enough tape? Should we put more tape on? Oh no, stay! That's it, stay! I'm gonna get him. Okay guys, my dog just bolted into Madison Shores. We don't know where he is, but we're gonna go find him.
I'm driving this.
I'm hoping that he's not faster than a car.
Well, unless I want to like recklessly drive through here, he's not.
So yeah.
Change of plans.
Change of plans. We'll get back to that in a minute.
Yeah, it'll be fine.
I was holding him because I was like, oh, he's not gonna go that far. Oh, we see him. Okay.
I see him.
Okay. Oh, he's coming towards us. There's our buddy. You almost got hit by a car, you silly dog.
You think he'll follow us back?
Yeah, he will. Oh, wait, there's a... Yeah. Okay, now he will. I see there's a dog.
Hudson, don't be stupid. If I run over your dog's foot, it's not my fault.
I know. Yeah, I'll get out. I'll get him.
Alright, yeah.
Alright. Very cool. Hud. Come on. Come on, buddy. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Come on. You're silly. You can't run off like that. Hey, hey. Oh, let's get that good shot of the car coming by. Yeah.